Welcome back, students. There is a notification from Staff Selection Commission, Combined Higher Secondary Level. This is the notification. The starting date of application is 6th 11/2020 and the last date 15/12/2020. Don't forget, it is only at 11:30 p.m. The last date is by 11:30 p.m. Okay, the age limit, coming back to the age limit, minimum 18 years and maximum 27 years. There is a relaxation for SC/ST candidates 5 years, for OBC candidates 3 years, and coming back to the person with disability, if it is general, then it is a 10 years relaxation. For SC/ST, 15 years relaxation. For OBC, 13 years relaxation. Then ex-serviceman, 3 years relaxation after deduction from the duties. Then coming back to the application fee, for women, SC/ST, person with disability, ex-serviceman, the application fee is 0, that means nil. For others, the application fee is 100 rupees. Then coming back to the post name, we are having 3 different categories: lower division clerk, junior secretariat assistant, then postal assistant and sorting assistant, then data entry operator. While filling the application, be careful while uploading photograph. The photograph should not be more than 3 months old. The date should be clearly printed on the photograph. This point is very important. The date should be clearly printed on the photograph. Otherwise, the application is going to be rejected. The size of the photograph should be 20 KB to 50 KB. Let us see here an example. Let us consider this is a photograph. The date should be clearly printed on the photograph. Here the date is the date within 3 months. Within 3 months, you have taken this photo. Then coming back to the signature should be 10 KB to 20 KB. Then the eligibility criteria, we know that for SSC CHSL, the eligibility is intermediate, that is 12th standard. But for the post data entry operator, in this 12th standard, mathematics should be one of the subject in your 12th standard. Then very important note here, for skill test, you should be capable of typing knowledge. For English, 35 words per minute. For Hindi, 30 words per minute. Okay. Then coming back to the selection process, we are having 3 steps in the selection process. In the first step, we are having computer based examination, that is an objective type. You are also going to be called as Tier 1. The total marks for Tier 1 is 100 marks. Here you are going to see 4 parts. The first part is English language, 25 questions, 50 marks. General intelligence, 25 questions, 50 marks. Quantitative aptitude, 25 questions, 50 marks. General awareness, 25 questions, 50 marks. Then time duration for all 4 parts is 60 minutes. That means in the 60 minutes duration, that means 1 hour duration, you have to attempt 100 questions. Is it clear? Each question contains 2 marks. That means the total CBT is 200 marks. Here there is a mistake. It is not 100, that is 200 marks. Is it clear? Then coming back to the very important note, there is a negative marking of half mark for each wrong answer. Is it clear? Then coming back to the second step in the selection process, that is a descriptive paper. You can also call as Tier 2 paper. It is for 100 marks. Here we are having essay writing. You have to write an essay within 200 to 250 words, and letter writing or some application writing, you have to write this within 150 to 200 words. The minimum qualifying marks in the Tier 2 is 33%. Then coming back to the third selection process, that is skill test or typing test. Those who are qualified in these 2, paper 1 and paper 2, that means Tier 1 and Tier 2, they are going to be called for skill test or typing test. Remember, there is no interview for this notification. I hope that you have received the entire information. Okay, then finally, the application link is present in the description. All the best. If you have any queries, then please comment. Thank you very much, students.